Welcome to our educational video today. We will discuss about animals that move using their abdominal muscles, namely snakes, worms, caterpillars, and leeches. Snakes are extraordinary creatures. Despite not having legs, snakes can move quickly and agilely. Snakes move using their abdominal muscles. There are several movement methods developed by snakes, such as serpentine, terrestrial, rectilinear, and sidewinding. The uniqueness of snakes is that they can climb, dart in water, and even some species can fly. Worms are also animals that move using their abdominal muscles. Worms move by contracting and relaxing their bodies. The uniqueness of worms is that they have muscles that allow worms to move and change places. Caterpillars also move in a way similar to snakes. They use a flow of muscle contractions along the sides of their bodies that look like a caterpillar moving. The uniqueness of caterpillars is that they can move in a straight line. Lastly, leeches. Leeches move using their longitudinal and circular muscles. The movement of leeches is an adaptation from the peristalsis movement found in other annelids, such as earthworms. The uniqueness of leeches is that they have blood-sucking tools at the tip of their heads and tail ends. That's our explanation about animals that move using abdominal muscles. Hopefully this knowledge is useful for all of us. See you in the next educational video. I hope this translation helps you in creating your educational video. Good luck.